Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out two things. One is my new camera. We are going to check if everything is going fine with it. And the other one, I got this box or this parcel from automosowebshop.hu full of Blend Brothers towels and such. I haven't opened it yet entirely. I only opened the box up so I can avoid cutting it up on screen, because sometimes YouTube doesn't like the usage of all kind of knives and whatever. So just in case, I opened for that much. I know it's towels inside, but I don't know what type of towels exactly. So we are going to zoom in and see what is within. Let's roll. Alrighty, boys and girls, these were all the towels and other accessories like brushes and so on. For the first sight, they look good quality. I've got lots of from Temu and AliExpress, so I know what is a bad quality towel and what is a good quality towel. In the meantime, the camera turned off because it went too hot. I had to change some settings. As I said, I know what is a bad quality towel. I've got a lot from AliExpress and Temu. For the first sight, they look better quality. Of course, I will be able to tell you more after I use them. So first I'm going to wash all the towels, and then I will show you on the channel in the coming weeks and months how these towels are. So we will see. But as I said, for the first sight, based on their look, I would say I see these ones as good quality, but the taste is in pudding. So obviously we are going to see later on. Other than that, that's it about this video now. If you liked it, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.